to San Bernardino. It was sunny. Temperature was 55 degrees, dew point 30, and the relative humidity 38%. Southwestern California, Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County,
why did this one not go off?
County, and the coastal waters from San
Bernardino
Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators.
That's weird.
These are the 11 a.m. observations for Inland Empire.